I wanted to pass along a little tip for cutting scrap quilts. Usually when you do a scrap quilt, you'll need lights and darks, maybe some mediums, and you'll need different sizes in all of those. So as you're going through your stash, you don't want to have to come back to your stash of, say, purples and reds and go back to them time and again because you need another piece. So here's what I do. I take a piece of paper, and this has already been printed on and I don't need it anymore, and I write on it. And this side are the dark fabrics and this side are the light fabrics. And I write down what I need. So on the light fabric, I need 7 3/4 inch squares, and I need 40 of those. Same thing with the dark fabric, 7 3/4 inch squares, and I need 40 of those. So if I move down here, and this is still on the dark side here, I need 1 by 12.5 inches. I need 40 of those, and 1 by 13.5 inches, and I need 40 of those. And here on the light side, I need 2.5 inches times 13.5 inches, and I need 49 of those. So as you're going through and you're pulling your fabrics, you see where you need to cut more pieces. So let's say I cut 2 of these, 2.5 by 13.5 of the light fabric. So I've cut 2, so I subtract 2 from 49, which leaves 47. And then I'll do this all the way down, and every time I go, if I'm going to cut some more up here, let's say I cut 3 of these, so I'm going to subtract 3, and so that's 37 left to cut. This really helps, especially if you're taking several days to cut for the whole quilt, which usually happens if you're doing a scrap quilt because you have to go through so many pieces and find just the right piece to cut. And then you just keep these in different stacks. So this would be a stack, this would be a stack, these 2 stacks and this stack, and you just keep them separate. And once you hit 0 on all of them, then you're ready to piece your quilt. If you're interested in doing the half square triangle sew along, there's a link at the top of this video right now in the upper right hand corner. Click on that and it'll take you to the introduction to the sew along. Thanks for watching.